E-commerce on social media, mastering sales and monetization. Welcome to Business with Joe. Today, we're diving into the dynamic world of e-commerce on social media, exploring how you can sell products directly through platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or Pinterest. Stick around for the next 5 minutes as we unravel strategies to grow your audience and make money through ads and sponsorships. Let's get started. Part 1. Setting up shop on social media. First things first, let's discuss how to set up your e-commerce shop on social media. 1. Choose the right platform. Select a platform that aligns with your target audience. Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest are popular choices, each with its unique strengths. 2. Create a business account. On platforms like Instagram and Facebook, ensure you have a business account. This unlocks valuable features for e-commerce, like shopping tags and insights. 3. Optimize your profile. Craft a compelling bio, use a recognizable profile picture, and include a link to your e-commerce website or product listings. 4. Showcase your products creatively. Use high-quality images and engaging captions to showcase your products. Consider creating lifestyle content to give potential customers a feel for your brand. Part 2. Growing your social media audience. Now, let's explore strategies to grow your social media audience. 1. Consistent posting. Regularly post content to keep your audience engaged. Consistency builds trust and visibility. 2. Utilize hashtags. Research and use relevant hashtags to increase the discoverability of your posts. 3. Collaborate with influencers. Partner with influencers in your niche to reach a broader audience. Influencers can showcase your products to their followers. 4. Run contests and giveaways. Encourage user participation and engagement by running contests or giveaways. This can significantly boost your reach. Part 3. Monetization strategies for e-commerce. Now, let's talk about turning your social media presence into profit. 1. Utilize in-app shopping features. Platforms like Instagram and Facebook offer in-app shopping features. Make it easy for users to purchase directly from your posts. 2. Paid advertisements. Invest in paid advertisements to target specific demographics and increase visibility. 3. Partner with influencers. Collaborate with influencers for sponsored posts or product placements. Their endorsement can drive sales. 4. Affiliate marketing. Explore affiliate marketing by partnering with influencers or affiliates who earn a commission for each sale they generate. 5. Exclusive promotions. Offer exclusive promotions or discounts to your social media followers. This encourages loyalty and repeat business. And there you have it. These strategies can supercharge your e-commerce efforts on social media. Whether you're just starting or looking to elevate your game, remember that authenticity and engagement are key. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights into the ever-evolving world of e-commerce. Thanks for watching, and here's to your success in e-commerce on social media.